Thank you for choosing Chamberlain. This video shows you how to replace the camera on a garage door opener. The replacement camera kit comes with a camera, a new decorative ring, and 3 screws. This video is intended for demonstration purposes only. Please consult the manual for complete instructions and safety information. After you replace the camera, you'll need to set up the new camera in the MyQ app, so be sure to have your mobile device handy. Also, make sure you have the latest version of the MyQ app. Let's get started. Always wear gloves and eye protection when working around the battery compartment. Start by unplugging the garage door opener. If the garage door opener has a battery, it needs to be disconnected. It's located on the side of the opener opposite the antenna. Open the light lens. If there is a light bulb, remove it and set it aside. Remove the screw and take off the battery cover. Disconnect the wires from the battery. Remove the battery and set it aside. The camera is located on the underside of the garage door opener. Remove the decorative ring. Secure the camera with several pieces of masking tape. Remove the screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull down on the camera and unplug the wire harness. Dispose of the old camera. Plug the wire harness onto the new camera. Slide the camera into position and secure with the screws. Choose the new decorative ring that matches the one you removed and snap into place. Slide the battery pack into place and reattach the wires. Reattach the battery cover. Replace the light bulb and close the light lens. Plug in the garage door opener. Now let's open the MyQ app and get the camera connected. Tap the plus sign. On the device setup screen, choose Secure View Camera. You'll be reminded that you may need a ladder and about turning on Bluetooth and location services on your phone. Tap Next. Locate the notch and flip the camera down. The LED on the camera will start out solid white. When the LED begins to blink blue, tap Next. When MyQ discovers your camera, it will appear in the app. Tap the listed camera. Now MyQ will look for and connect to your home network. The LED on the camera will alternate flashing blue and green. Then it will flash green. When the LED turns solid green, your camera is connected. You'll see an important safety warning. Tap OK. It may take a moment for the camera to show online. You're all set. Let's try this out. Tap the camera icon to view the live stream. Rotate the camera to adjust the view. You'll be able to turn the camera up to 360 degrees. Congratulations! The camera is now set up and ready to use with your MyQ app. For more information, visit support.chamberlaingroup.com. Thank you for choosing Chamberlain.